Namaste, everyone. This is Mom Harsha on her favorite page, Small Wonders. And today, again, we have Bela, the puppeteer. Bela, now you need no introduction because all the people, all the educators, all the mommies on Small Wonders page have known you now. So today Bela is here with a wonderful puppet story, and I requested her to give another one story also. So she's going to do two stories today. So one story, the story number one is Billy Goat Gruff. So Bela, I will not take much time, and I'll set the whole screen for you so that the audience can get the most out of you. Welcome, Bela, and thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Harsha. Hello, everyone. We're back again for another story today. This time, the story is about Billy Goat Gruff. And here he comes. This is the little Billy Goat Gruff. And one day, he was eating some grass. And he saw the grass here is not good. It is all dried up. I want to go to the other side of the bridge and have the yummy, yummy, juicy grass. Let's go that side. But Billy Goat, you have to be careful. There's a troll under the bridge. Troll? What will he do? He might want to eat you up. Eat me? No, 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 no. I'm so small. His stomach will not get full. He can eat my brother. He's bigger than me. All right, why don't you try your luck? So Billy Goat goes, chip, trap, chip, trap, chip, trap, chip, trap, chip, trap. Hello, goat. Hello, hello. I'm going to eat you up. No, 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 no. I'm so small. I will not be fitting in your stomach. You'll be so more hungry, hungry, hungry. Why don't you eat my bigger brother? He's little bigger than me. Bigger than you? Should I wait for him? Mm, okay, but you have to do something for me first. What should I do for you? Why don't you sing one song for me? Song? Okay, I know one song. I know Roly Poly. All the children also know, they'll sing with me. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, out, out, out. Roly poly, in. Wow, that was nice, Billy Goat. You may go now. All right. And Billy Goat goes to the other side of the bridge to have the yummy, yummy, juicy, juicy grass. And then comes her little brother, who is bigger than her. He also wants to go to the other side. But you have to be careful. There's a troll. Troll? What will the troll do? He might want to eat you. Eat me? But I'm so small. You are small? Yes. I have a bigger brother than me. Bigger? All right, you can try your luck. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. Hello, Billy Goat. I think this was the big goat that they were talking about. Should I eat him up now? No, no, no. I'm not the big goat. I have a bigger brother. You can eat him up, not me. Not you? A bigger brother than you? Okay, but you have to do something for me. What do you want me to do? You have to dance and show me. Dance? Okay, on which song should I dance to? Ah, I know. Dinka chicka, hey, dinka chicka, hey. That was good. Okay, Billy Goat, you may go now. Bye bye. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trap. And Billy Goat number two. goes to the other side of the bridge and he's having his juicy crust. And then who do you think is going to come now? The big Billy goat number three. Can you see the big horns? Such big horns he has got. Yes, and he's going to go. Trip, trap, trip, trap. Billy goat, be careful. There's a troll under the bridge. Troll? I'm not scared of any troll. I'm very strong. All right, but take care. I will. Trip, trap, trip, trap, trip, trip, trap. Hello, Billy Goat. I think this is the Billy Goat he was talking about. Should I eat him, children? I think I must. It's going to be so yummy. Yeah, going to have a goat treat. And oh no, I'm feeling dizzy. Where am I? Oh, oh no, what should I do? And one more time, the Billy Goat comes and Billy Goat. I'm so hungry. What should I eat now? You know what, Billy Goat? Mr. Troll? I've made some yummy pasta. Would you like to eat some pasta? Pasta. Okay, anything will do. I'll come and have some pasta. I'm going now. Bye bye. Bye bye. That was the story of Billy Goat Gruff.
Wonderful, Vela, wonderful. And the kind of voice modulation that you do really keeps us engaged. I'm sure it's going to be very difficult for you, when you're, managing the puppets, managing the voice. I'm sure it's very
Right,
difficult. So,
right.
Bella, before we go for the second story, I just want to ask you, Bella, that how long have you been doing
Yes.
this puppeteering?
I think almost 23, 24 years now. It's been a real long time.
Yes, so only I think so much crisp it is coming. You are talking to the billy goat, you are talking to the graph, and it's
Yes,
so nice the voice because in mind also you have to keep so much of focus. कि अभी इसका आवाज निकालना है, अभी ये dialogue बोलना है. So this
right.
experience really works a lot, Bella. So second story कौन
In
सी है
fact, this
आज?
I'm doing for the first time, Harsha.
हम्म,
Normally, we used to do behind a puppet theater. This first time going with the puppets in the hand. It's very
uh,
different from a puppet show, actually. Yeah,
absolutely. But you manage and you kept the environment so lively, Bella, that while watching also I was so much
thank you.
engrossed in that. So Bella, the second story in your basket today is, can you tell us something about that?
Wiggle and waggle.
Wow,
I've got a story called Wiggle and Waggle. Yes, we'll enjoy that as well.
wonderful, Bella.
So the next story of mine is called Wiggle and Waggle. Let's meet them first. This is Mr. Wiggle. Say hi, Mr. Wiggle. And this is Mr. Wiggles' house. He opens the door, pop, goes inside his house, pop, and closes the door, pop. And he has a friend. The friend's name is Mr. Waggle. Say hi, Mr. Waggle. And this is Mr. Waggle's house. He opens the door, pop, goes inside his house, pop, and closes the door, pop. And one day, Mr. Wiggle wants to go to Mr. Waggle's house. So what does he do? He opens the door, pop, comes out of his house, pop, and closes the door, pop. And he goes up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill. And he reaches Mr. Waggle's house. He goes, knock, knock. Nobody's opening the door. He goes, knock, knock. Nobody's opening the door. He goes more louder. Knock, knock. Nobody's opening the door. Let me call out his name. Mr. Waggle. No one's answering the door. Little more louder. Mr. Waggle. Nobody's opening the door. Can we say it more louder? Mr. Waggle. Still no answer. Maybe he's gone to the market. Or maybe he's gone to see a movie. Or maybe he's gone to sleep. I will go home and come another day. So it goes up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill. And he reaches his house. He opens the door, pop, goes inside his house, pop, and closes the door, pop. And the next day, Mr. Waggle wants to go to Mr. Wiggle's house. So what is he going to do? Open the door, pop, come out of his house, pop, and close the door, pop. And he goes up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill. And he reaches Mr. Wiggle's house. He goes, knock, knock. No one is answering the door. He says more loudly, knock, knock. Nobody's answering the door. More louder, knock, knock. Nobody's answering the door. So what does he do? Let's call out his name, okay? He goes, Mr. Waggle. Nobody's answering the door. More louder, Mr. Waggle. Still no one's answering the door. Let's be more louder, Mr. Waggle. Still no one is answering the door. So what does he do? He says, I'm going to go home and come back another day. So he opens the door, pop, goes inside the house, pop, and closes the door, pop. And now next day, Mr. Wiggle and Mr. Waggle, they want to go to each other's house. So how does he go? They open the door, pop, come out of the house, pop, and close the door, pop. And he goes up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill. And they meet. Hi, Mr. Wiggle. Hi, Mr. Waggle. I'd come to you that you were not, you were sleeping. I don't want to go. They talk, bye, 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 see you, bye, 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 bye. And they go up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill, up the hill and down the hill. And they reach their home. So they open the door, pop, go inside the house, pop, and close the door, pop. And they both go to sleep. Good night. So I hope you like that story. Harsha, we are done with it.
Yeah, Bela, thank you. Bela, thank you so much. And I remember once we met, you had done this story. We had recorded that story. And believe me, I tried a couple of times, to practice this. But I got confused, to put my thumb in, close the door, pop, open the door, pop. So that sync was not coming, but
But
beautiful,
you'll really
Bela.
enjoy this, when you do it. Thank
I
you.
tried, and then you know what happened? I added my tadka whenever I fumbled, doing this story. So ठीक ठाक मैंने manage कर लिया, but you were awesome, Bella, awesome. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
There
Thank
are
you,
a few
Harsha. Nice to be
comments.
here. Thank you.
Bella, there are a few comments I would just like to flash on your screen.
Sure.
There is one comment here
Sure.
wherein mom is asking us from where we can order these beautiful puppets, Bella, if you could answer this question.
You get them locally also, and I normally get them from abroad as well. But there's a store at Beach Candy which has these puppets in Mumbai. So
Okay.
it's called Premsense. Yeah.
Okay, so I will just flash the comments that are coming here, Bella, on your screen. So
Sure,
that
definitely.
Sharmishta is telling lovely story. Then there's another
Thank
comment.
you.
My babies want these puppets that I already have done. Wonderful.
Okay.
So Bella, everyone is loving these stories, and we want to have more of you.
I'm so
So
glad.
day after tomorrow, again, we are bringing Bella on this page to connect with all the audience here.
Sure.
Bella, next, I'm sure you will be bringing something new which will fascinate and interest the children.
We're doing some sing-along session next time. That will be more interesting, I guess.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Bella, for your valuable time. Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you. Most welcome. Bye bye.
Bye.